friends, I am Sulekha back again with another recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to make two types of kozhukatta. So let's start. These are the ingredients required for making the kozhukatta. Thick rice flour batter, some grated coconut, grated jaggery and some oil. This is a rice flour batter that I made today. You can make it in two ways. I have ground the rice flour without water and made it thick so that I can shape it into any desired shape. You can also use rice flour and add hot water to it so that you get the same consistency. Don't forget to add salt for the taste. Now I'm going to divide the batter into two. With one half I'll be making the sweet kozhukatta and with the other half the normal one. So now we have two halves. One half can be used for the sweet and the other half for the normal one. So take the coconut, add half of the coconut to the one half of the batter that you have kept here and mix it thoroughly. Now I have mixed up the coconut and the batter and now it is ready to be shaped. Let me show you how to shape it. We need to use the oil for it. Take some oil, apply it on your palm. Use the required amount of batter and flatten it so that you get this shape. Repeat the same with all the batter you have. I have shaped the remaining batter into the kozhukatta and left it here. Now let me show you how to make the sweet kozhukatta. For making the sweet kozhukatta, first we have to make a mixture of the jaggery and the coconut that we have kept aside. If you don't have jaggery, you can also use sugar, which will give the sweet taste to your kozhukatta. So mix it up well so that this can be filled inside the kozhukattas. So I have mixed up the jaggery and the coconut. This will be used for filling inside the sweet kozhukatta. Now let us make the sweet kozhukatta with the batter. Use some oil, grease it on your palm, take the thick batter on your palm and flatten it. Take some coconut jaggery mixture and place it in the center of the batter and fold it up like this. You will get a closed form in this way. Now the batter is there and inside we have the jaggery and the coconut mixture. So with all the remaining flour we have to do the same. I'll show you once again. Take the flour on your palm, flatten it nicely and take the coconut jaggery mixture, keep it in the center of the flour and close up all the sides. Close it well and shape it properly so that you get this shape finally. I'm going to use my idli steamer to steam the kozhukatta. So like this, I have placed all the kozhukatta in the idli steamer. I have used my idli steamer to steam the kozhukatta. Now you can see the water is boiling. So let's place this inside, close the lid and leave this about for 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes now. Let me switch off the stove and let's open the steamer. Be careful while opening the steamer. Now look at the kozhukattas, they're all cooked so well. Let's take them out. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. It is free of cost. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching and let's meet again in the next video.